The government's land record modernization scheme seemed to have tasted some success in the national capital. The Delhi government says almost all land records of 356 villages in NCT have been put online. The move is expected to bring transparency and weed out corruption in the land-related matters in the city. But is it really benefiting end consumers? I travelled to Kanjavla village in northwest Delhi to find out. If you're living in Delhi, your property registration details are now just a click away. The Delhi government has set up a dedicated website called Indraprastha Bhulekh, where citizens can now access digitally signed ROR or record of rights, all while sitting at home. The government says the move will put an end to fraudulent transactions, tampering of records and corruption. But has any of it translated on ground? We're in the northwest district of New Delhi in a remote village of Kanjavla with a population of over 10,000 people. And we're here to find out the success of the land digitization program with the people of this village. As we spoke to landowners in Kanjavla, they did not mince words while talking about the problems with bureaucratic rigmarole. However, many of them also reiterated that the process of obtaining land records has now been made easy.
जो ग्रामीण क्षेत्र ज़्यादातर अनपढ़ और वैसे बंदे थे जो कि एसडीएम ऑफिस में जाते थे फर्द लेने के लिए, तो उनको 10-10 दिन 5-5 दिन के लिए वेट करना पड़ता था.
After spending time with the people of Kanjavla, we paid a visit to District Magistrate's office to get an update on the number of land records that have been digitized in the northwest Delhi.
हमारी डिस्ट्रिक्ट नॉर्थ वेस्ट में 19 विलेजेस हैं जो कि जहाँ पर रिवेन्यू रिकॉर्ड्स अब भी हमारा चलता है. 16 का हमने कर दिया है. 16 विलेजेस का सिर्फ 2 विलेजेस बचे हैं.
Further, to understand the procedure of obtaining land records online, we sat down with the technical officers in the District Magistrate's office. On accessing the homepage of the website, you can choose data from 23 districts in Delhi. The search results then reveal not only the status of the property but also the documents related to it. Experts, however, say that the process needs to be further streamlined.
Our land records in most states at present are still on paper, or rather on cloth. And the connect between the map on the ground as well as what we call the record of rights, which is on a paper document, either not updated, or if it is updated, it's there in two separate silos of data.
In our attempt to understand the effectiveness of land digitization scheme taking Kanjavla as the reference point, we concluded that the citizens' response to the scheme is fairly positive, with a large number speaking in favor of it. Despite government's diktat to set up a citizen service center in every district office, there was none in Kanjavla. And even though land digitization is a step in the right direction, the technology for mapping land needs to be upgraded. In Kanjavla, Shweta Kothari for NDTV.